So can AI program your machines? Let's find out. I apologize for the noise, but that's necessary to keep the machine going. So in my last video, I showed you that I got a chip fan. So in order to increase productivity on this machine, getting rid of chips and coolant is pretty must have. Plus, when you're at the end of the day, you don't smell like coolant. So it's kind of gross. This is an HWR chip fan. It's a solid clean. So the question is, can AI program your machines? The answer is yes and no. More no than yes. Is it going to get better? Absolutely. And I'll show you why. Alright, so here on my laptop, I had Grok program a chip fan subroutine. And it did it kind of. So one thing it likes to do is it likes to put in all these comments, and it's nice if you don't really know what the G code is doing. You can kind of learn, but for memory space practicalities, it's not necessary, especially on machines that have low memory. And also, it's nice if your AI knows which coordinates you're going to be using. So Grok said that I could take that code, put it directly in my controller, and it would work. And so I did. And it immediately failed. So over here on the controller, this is my fully edited part program. All right, it's very short. It does a few sweeps across in the M's and the 99 for a subroutine. When I got the program installed, nothing would work. Probably because if you don't know the lingo of the machine and you don't tell Grok what you want it to do or whatever AI you're using, it'll put out the standard. Well, if your controller uses proprietary codes, you have to know that to tell the AI, and it'll change it for you. Right out the get-go, no, it won't work. That's why we have a post-processor. So I use the program that Grok gave me, put it in the machine, and basically had it alter everything in order to make it run. After probably an hour of tinkering with the program, I got it to do exactly what I wanted it to do, but it took an hour to get there. So is it worth it? Maybe one day. As of right now, stick with your post processor.